To combat oil spills, scientists have developed an innovative sorbent, onion-like graphene. Composed of multi-layered carbon spheres, its unique electronic structure and high porosity enable highly efficient water purification. The material's effectiveness was proven using pyridine. Pyridine is a molecule found in gasoline. It was used as a model pollutant. After mixing and centrifuging, spectrometry showed minimal remaining pollutants. Thanks to its natural hydrophobicity and specific surface area, this graphene absorbs fuels and organic solvents without any additional chemical modification. Like and subscribe to stay updated on future technologies.